Hi guys, welcome back. See, CPA exam in July 2021 coming is some changes there. You know, auditing and business environment and concepts increase emphasis on the few following ways. Understand automated business processes and the risk involved, the importance of having a digital and data driven mindset as well as the use of data analytics, system and organization controls. This means, do you already know that, right? SOC reports and controls over financial reporting at a service organization. Other specific changes will be outlined in the January 2021 CPA exam blueprints. Already you know that. Topics expected to be extended on the CPA exam. Uh, some topics which are highly expected and more than in the CPA exam in India. Digital and data driven mindset and other topics on technological impacts is also there. And another thing, we have a look. This means, what are CPA audit sections in 2021? If you are say business processes and internal controls. I mean, already told you SOC one reports, use of SOC one reports, IT system infrastructure, data flows, effect of general and application controls on the competences and reliability of data, use of automated tools and data analytics in the audit, skepticism and judgment in analyzing data. BEC, I mean, BEC, already, business environment on and concepts. And the next one is, business processes and internal controls. See, understand SOC's understanding is the most important because SOSC reports for the outsourced IT functions, use of data and business intelligence, data governance, data management, data relationships, and working with the data extraction, transformation, and loading. Topics expected to be removed from the exams. There are certain topics there are also expected to be removed from the uniform USCP exam, which we, I mean, IFRS, FAR, estate tax, REC. And coming to another topic, I mean, the topic based in the main changes in content skill weighting. It's mean audit control area, 2 risk assessment and planning increased by 5%, and content area 4 reporting decreased